Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Today's video is going to be about pros and cons of having a dog. If you don't have a dog, it's okay. This is just for comedy. So, yeah, pretty much. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
Another con of having a dog is taking him out. Basically it. But if you're lazy, this would apply to you. It implies to me too, because I'm lazy. A lot. Another thing is, dogs need their attention. Even if you don't want to give it to them, they still need their attention. So, good luck with that. We all been there, we all done that. We would always feel like this from time to time. Or we would feel like this. Yeah, we all felt this before, so don't lie. But the great thing about having a dog is that they make you feel better. They know how upset or any mood you're feeling. They know how you feel. I think the best feeling of having a dog is when you come home, he is happy to see you, or she is happy to see you. It's the best thing that could happen to you, honestly. If you're like me, you would be stuck home alone with nobody around. But as soon as you turn around, your best friend is right there. Well, I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe for new YouTubes every single week. And yeah, pretty much it. Bye.